In this exercise, we are going to design a 3D truck modeling. To select a truck, first we can make this body from a cube by adding a mesh object cube. In this, first select the cube by pressing A on the keyboard. Then you can scale this cube by pressing S, and we have to scale it on Z axis, so press Z again to scale it to a Z axis. Then here from switch on to object mode to edit mode to make the editing option. First select the faces of the cube in the top side and the side face, so that when you extrude it we will get a portion of this and a portion of this. And to subdivide this into several parts of making, so we have to press on Ctrl plus R, so it will be subdivided into several parts. Then the body of the truck is made. So to make the wheels of the truck, again click on add, mesh, cylinder. So once you scale the cylinder to the top view, you will get the shape of the wheel. Then scale it to the smaller size so that you get fitted into the body of the truck. Select the wheel and duplicate it by pressing Shift D, so we will get an even shape of 4 wheels. Then again switch on to object mode to edit the modifications in the wheel. Then by pressing B on the keyboard, you can have a selecting options. Select the back side of the truck here, then click it and extrude it. Then select all the 4 wheels of the keyboard, of the 4 wheels of the truck, and Ctrl plus J on the keyboard to join 4 wheels into a single object. And you can have a modifier option here. You can set that modifier option into a boolean. Then you can set object differences in the cylinder and name of that object. Then you can switch on to object mode to wireframe mode, solid mode to wireframe mode. Then you can select the 3 wheels by again pressing B selection, so that you can make the editor in the selected wheels. So once you have selected the 3 wheels, click on it and press delete vertices. Once the vertices of the wheel will be divided, the inner side of the wheel is again made as selected, scale and extrude it, so that you will get an inner side of the wheel and an outer side of the wheel, so that it looks like an original wheel. To make differences, we can add material options here. Here in this I have selected the wheel options as tire and a wheel. So the inner wheel side is given as gray color, and the outer layer is given as a tire, and it is given as a black color. So all these properties are set as diffuse, BSDF. And similarly the body of the truck can be similarly subdivided into 4 colors. So in that we have divided this upper part selected as a different face, that I given as a glass surface. In glass we have selected as a glassy surface, and we have given as Beckman. The layer of the color is given, and the body of the truck is given as a dark red color. Once all done, we have to add a lightning source. So select a plane by adding add, mesh, plane. In this has given us a light, and have set this surface as an emission and color as white, and have set the strength to 10. So again I had to draw the ground. So again click on another plane like this, mesh, plane. So you will have a surface here. In this surface I set material as a surface, so that in this you can set another color for them as a similar background, just as something like a road. So I have set this as a road, and I have given it as a light gray color. So once it is all done, you press 0 on the keyboard, so you will get a camera view. lock the camera view and you can zoom it to whatever size you want. So you can zoom this object here. Once it is all done, click on render. The image will be rendered. So the image is reflected like this, a background color display and a truck with red color. So finally a truck 3D modeling is done. All the colors we are given as in a grey, the outer black, and the glassy surface and the body of the truck is done, and the color is again reflected to the plane also. So finally a 3D the 3D modeling of a truck is done successfully. Thank you.